So, spiritual enlightenment or spiritual freedom is about witnessing one's own mind and tracing the mind backward until no mind is left. And when you reach that point, you will see the truth of who you are. And when the truth is seen, the mind dissolves itself. Truth makes the mind dissolves. That truth itself is a consciousness, and the nature of the consciousness is conscious and empty, and you are that. You are conscious and empty. Another way to see the mind is mind itself is an ego. Identifying ourselves with the mind is the ego self. So the journey is about watching your ego, tracing your ego identification backward until nothing is left. And that makes you see the truth. And when the truth is seen, the ego in you realizes that the ego cannot comprehend the truth, and the ego dissolves. That's the journey. So this journey is about witnessing one's own mind. And when you trace your mind backward, you will know how the mind come into existence. You understand the nature of the mind. And after understanding the nature of the mind and seeing the truth, life becomes easy. Life unfolds without the mental drama, without the fear, without the conflict. So easy living starts. So one must make this journey personal. This journey is inward, backward, an individual journey, a lonely journey. So in that sense, it's a personal. Another way to make it personal is how badly you want to be free.